if you are seeing this video, it's for you. I intended that all who need to hear this message find it in divine timing, of course. But I know if you have, this message has found you, that you've been seeing the changes in your reality. I know that you've been seeing the miracles in your reality. I know that you've been seeing the blessings in your reality. I know you've been seeing your reality mirror that inner work that you put in for however long, months, years, weeks. I know you've been seeing the changes. You've been peeping game. 111 all the time. You've been peeping game. You've been peeping. It's like, I know you feel like, what the fuck? Like, literally, I was just like accompanying my aunt like on a drive today, and I saw on a truck that went by, it literally said, what did it say? It said intensifying overload, like intense overload. And like I was just like, okay. But like right now, it's like you probably are feeling this intense overload of joy, like an intense overload in your body. Like joy is so strong, like you can't even speak. Like you were stunned. You were stunned. The universe, source, God, whatever, your reality has stunned you. And that's because of you. That's because of the inner work that you've put in. That's because of the alignment with your highest timeline. That's because of you. You did the work and you are now reaping what you sow.